Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'll show you how we can check the number of apps opened each day. So at the first we have to go for the settings, and then find Digital Wellbeing, go right here, and then we have to go for the screen timer. We have to go for the app timers, and when you enter for one of these apps, for example for the camera, you can check right here how many times you opened that app. So in my case I opened it 18 times, right? You can also check it to the weekly times, and of course when you go back you can easily check every app. Let's check how many times I opened the settings. As you can see, 30 times, and weekly, yesterday it was 3 times and today it's 30. So that's how we can check it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.